Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Thumb. In this video, we'll introduce ternary. Okay, what is that? Let's see an example first. Let's generate a random number and integer. If it's even number, we print out even. Otherwise, we print out odd. Okay, so that random number equals ARC random uniform upper bound 100. Okay, so this guy yeah, now we can check, right, if random number mod 2 equals 0, it means this is even number, right? Even. Okay, otherwise we can print odd. Okay, let's give it a try. But we need to print out the random number itself. Okay, otherwise how do we know, right? Random number is like that. Random number is odd. Okay, command R. Zero. What? I'm so lucky. 0. Wow. The minimum in these 100 possibilities. Okay, is even. That's correct. Okay, run it again. $47 is odd. Okay, great. Now, how can we? So basically, the ternary, right? Ternary is a syntax sugar to simplify or to reduce the 5 lines of code into a single one. Okay, let's see how we can do it, right? So print ternary, like 3 items separated by a question mark and a colon. So we'll print out random number is what? Okay, is what? Let's put an expression here. The expression here, right? Ternary, we have 3 terms or 3 items separated by question mark. So the first one is the condition. Condition is this one. So we'll replace the 5 lines with this single line. So if, so that we can copy this one, right? Put it here. That's the condition. If that is true, the value of the whole expression, the ternary expression, is this one. If the condition is true, so we'll put it here, right? Even the value. Otherwise, after the colon, odd, like that. So these, they are equivalent. Okay, ternary. So random number is, this is a ternary expression, right? 3 things are separated by question mark and the colon. So this is the condition, is a Boolean value, right? If it's true, then the final value of this expression is the second term, even, the string even. Otherwise, odd. Okay, let's run it. 67 is odd. Okay, try it again. 66 is even. Okay, try it again. 6 is even. Okay, that's it. Ternary, right? 3 things. Or we can do something like that, right? That result equals, right, ternary random number mod 2 equals 0. Then we put even here, otherwise odd, right? Now we can put the result here like that. Same idea, right? To make it more readable. So this is an expression, right? What is the data type of a result? A Boolean or integer? Boolean? No, it's string, right? Because yeah, it's either this one or that one. That's the value of this expression. We can check that. Hold on Option key. Click this one. Yeah, string, right? String. Okay. And if we want to make it explicit, we can do that. Run it. "21 is odd." Okay. Cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.